Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be practicing something more on the scratch, right? Okay. So let's first quickly revise what we have learned so far on the scratch. We learned how to open it. We learned what is the sprite on the scratch. We learned how to change the sprite. We also learned how to drag the different blocks. What are the blocks and how to drag them? Like drag and drop game, right? So we have learned all of this so far on the, and beside that, one important thing that we have learned is that green flag means start. When we click on that, it start the program, right? Now I'm going to share the screen with you. In today's class we will be learning something more on the scratch. Let's first quickly devise the things and then we will be moving forward. Okay, so let's first look at this is a sprite on the scratch, right? And we can change it as well. This is one picture, we can change it as well. We can have different other sprites, and from where we can change it, we click on this box. Okay, wait for a moment. So the first thing was that how we can change the sprite, right? So in order to change the sprite, we click on this face of the cat. Over here we have a category of different sprites. We can click on any one. We have different categories like animals, we have pictures of people, fantasies, we have dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters as well, right? And we can choose anyone, whatever we want to use. Let's say I want to choose this Cassie dance. I'll click on this and this will come as my sprite. Now I want this, only this one, and I want to delete this previous one. I'll click on this delete button and here I have my sprite, right? Now if I want to move it, I'll say please move 10 steps. This will start moving. If I want to bring it back, I will turn it over here. I can turn it on this direction as well. So this is how we can play with this, right? The next thing we learned was that these are different blocks. Let's say this is one block. If I want to bring it over here, I'll just drag it. And now if I want to attach the second block with, I will drag it, bring it over here and just leave it, right? This is known as drag and drop game, and this is how we drag different blocks. Sorry, we can drag this in the similar fashion as well. See, this was not aligned to it, so it has not attached. See, this is very important. Okay, let's do it with another one. When this gray color shade will come, this means that you can leave it. If this is not, you will leave it, it will not go and attach with it. So bring it closer. When you will find this gray sketchy look, just leave it. It will automatically go and attach. Got it? Now, what is today's activity? Today's topic is costume change. How can we change the costume, right? Now, in order to change that, we are supposed to add one block to it, right? There is a purple block on the screen which says looks, right? We have looks. Now in that, what we will be doing, we will search on how we can change the costume, right? Next costume. So I'll click on this. Now costume means basically that it will change the look. It will change the movement. I'll block, bring this over here. Now see, when I'll click on this, it will change its movement. See, it's coming backward. Again, it's coming forward. If I click over here, it is showing me different steps. So changing costume basically mean that change your movement, change your direction, change your style. So when I click on this, by changing the costume mean change the direction, and when you will click on this, it will move in one direction, either in the forward, either in the backward, upward or downward. This is how it moves. Got it? Okay, so what we have learned in today's class, that how we can change the costume. So in order to change the costume, what do we do? That we will bring this and we will add it below the forever. You can put it over here. Now when you will click on this, it will change the costume. Got it? So now I want all of you to please open the scratch, do the same practice. Do first revise whatever we have done. What is the sprite, how we can change it, how to drag different blocks, and then practice how to change the costume. Hurry up, open your scratch. All of you are working? Any confusion? Any difficulty? No? Okay, that's really great. Are you guys able to change the costume? Excellent. Hurry up, do it. All of you are done? Okay, very well done. That was all for today. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, which is a practical work day, we will be practicing more of it and we will do a little more about it, right? Do practice it at your home. Share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.